Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized system of recording information that makes it nearly impossible to alter, hack, or cheat the system. Blockchain can be used in businesses where data integrity, transparency, and traceability are essential. It is a shared ledger that records transactions and tracks assets, tangible or intangible, within a business network. Tangible assets include houses, cars, cash, land, etc. And intangible assets involve intellectual property, patents, copyrights, branding, etc. The blockchain duplicates and distributes a digital ledger of transactions across the entire network of computers. Each block within a chain stores a cryptographic hash of the previous block, timestamp, and transaction data, ensuring immutability. This record of every transaction is updated and added to the participant's ledger after consensus is reached. A blockchain network can record, track, and trade anything that carries value.